Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today we're addressing a common Discord question: how to find and use server tags on mobile. Whether you're looking to identify moderators, find specific members, or understand role indicators, I'll show you exactly how to view and use Discord tags on your iPhone or Android device. Let's start with the basics of what Discord tags are and where to find them. Tags are those colorful indicators next to usernames that show roles and permissions within a server. First, open the Discord app and navigate to any server where you want to view tags. Tap on the server name at the top to open the server menu, then look for Members or the People icon. This will show you the complete member list for that server. In the member list, you'll see usernames with colored tags next to them. These tags indicate different roles within the server. Tap on any member's name to see their full profile and all the roles they have in that server. If you want to see what a specific tag means, go back to the server menu and tap Settings or the server name, then look for Roles. Here you'll see all the available roles in that server and what each colored tag represents. For finding specific members by their tags, you can use the search function within the server. Tap the search icon, magnifying glass, and you can filter members by their roles or tags. Here's a pro tip. Some servers have special tags that indicate skills, interests, or responsibilities. These can help you quickly identify who to contact for specific questions or collaborations within the server. Remember that tag colors and meanings vary by server, as they're customized by each server's administrators. The same color might mean something different in different servers. If you're a server admin looking to manage tags, you can do this through the server settings on the desktop version of Discord, though basic role management is also available on mobile. I know understanding Discord tags can really enhance your server experience, making it easier to navigate communities and identify key members. Whether you're joining new servers or managing your own, now you know how to work with tags on mobile. If this guide helped you understand Discord tags better, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Discord tutorials. Let me know in the comments what other Discord features you'd like to learn about. Thanks for watching.